Hey, all right. Brad McCloud here, StillGrinderPT.com. Coming to you guys live today here at my underground bunker, my gym, and just wanted to catch up with you guys. Some of y'all may know me out there in the fitness world. Learned SEO, self-taught SEO. Done pretty well with that, and I've been getting into pay-per-click and Facebook recently, trying to spread the word, spread the gospel. And so I've ran into my buddy John Cristani out in California, and he has been so nice to help me every single week, emailing me all sorts of information, and sent me a link the other day on a Facebook video. Took the time, watched that video, went through it. It was great information, and went on to set up two Facebook accounts, or actually two Facebook ads that I monitored. I was actually able to get a high click-through rate and get my spend down as low as some of them as 2 cents to about 10 cents, and worked on that all week long and was able to generate several days of profitable sales. And so, yeah, I don't give out very many recommendations, but I just wanted to get that information out to everybody out there. You guys can check me out online, Google my name, whatever, to know I'm legit. I'm not just somebody John drug in off the streets. But yeah, I'm just super psyched to work with John, and he's been so awesome to help me. And so I encourage everybody else to jump in there, check out his really good stuff. I'm sure there's links down below. And yeah, I'm Brad McCloud, StillGrinderPT.com, and I am out.